Hello beautiful, welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther. Today it is all about this beautiful unit from YGwigs. Now I just wanted to show y'all what you should receive when you get your package. Every time I get my YGwig package, it is always in a box, and then it comes with this nice bag that I usually use if I want to store anything in there, and then it comes with the goodies like 2 hair clips, a few headbands in case you want to switch it out and stuff. But the wig that I'm going to be sharing with y'all, you cannot switch the headband out, if that makes any sense. So you just lay these headbands on top, so that's really nice. And also comes with hoop earrings, which I will be rocking them. And then it also comes with a edge brush to sweep out your edges, and then also a wig cap. As always, you should receive a wig cap. And I also love how they make this cute flyer, if you can say, because it shows you all the units that they also have or that you would like to check out, and also tells you how to maintain your units. I really love that they took the time to put this in there as well. Now if you've watched me for the longest time, you already know I rock a lot of units from YGwigs. Now this one is a new one. If you're a fan of the headband wigs, this girl right here will probably be one of your favorites. Now this is just an update of the old headband wig. This wig does have lace on it. You guys can see the cap construction detail for yourself. The width of the headband is 3.5 centimeters, which is more convenient to wear, especially for the summer season. Y'all know it's about to be getting super hot here pretty soon. The way this unit is customized is actually perfect because it's going to be very much breathable inside of your head. Y'all know how summer gets super hot. I also do want to mention the fabric of the headband has been upgraded. It's softer, it absorbs sweat and wrinks away moisture. It's very much comfortable as well, like I mentioned earlier, and you can rock this even if you are doing sports because it's just breathable overall. So I'm just grabbing my concealer brush and applying a little bit of concealer on that lace, because girl, when I tell y'all, this does look more natural in my opinion than the old headband wig, especially if you don't let out any baby hair. This unit is a lot more better than the old headband wig. So if you've been looking or just thinking about getting your hands on a headband wig, I think this one right here might be the best route for you because of the overall update and construction of this unit. Now I love the texture of this hair because not only did it come very much body wave, but it's also super full. I did not expect it to be as full as it looked when I brush it out, and I am obsessed. YGwigs does it again with their units. I love their units. Been rocking it for years. I never really have nothing negative to say about YGwigs because I really haven't experienced anything negative about them. So yeah, all the details to this beautiful unit will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. But I am just messing with this girl, trying to fix her up. Oh, another thing that I do want to mention, this unit does come with 2 combs on the side and 1 at the back, so you're very much secured when you have this unit on, and it's also lightweight. I know one of you guys will be in the comment section asking if this unit is lightweight, so I had to make sure I mentioned that because the way it looks super full, you would think it's pretty heavy, but it's not. I ended up grabbing my Sleek and Shine serum. Girl, when I tell y'all this product right here is bomb on units that just kind of look dry or overall just need a little bit of shine. This product takes care of that. You guys are gonna see how beautiful it just, oh, y'all see that shine, brings moisture, makes it look really nice and slick. I love. And it also adds a little bit of scent to it. I don't know what it is, but this product smells amazing. So this is pretty much it of me talking about this unit. If you want to get your hands on the newest, okay, updated, upgraded headband wig, all the details to this unit will be in the description box, so definitely check that out. I am giving you guys a hex yeah on this hair. It is luscious, it's beautiful, it's full. Overall, it's just bomb for a headband wig. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I actually do prefer this than the old headband wig. Maybe it's because of the lace on it and it's just overall breathable. I don't know. I love it. But check the description box for all the details. As always, I love you guys so much. Naupenda sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.